name's Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.
Okay, go ahead.
The tools you would need for this repair is a number 2 Phillips style screwdriver or drill bit, wire strippers, a 1/4 inch nut driver, flat blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Today we're working on a GE gas range. Customer complaint is it will not bake or broil. So to get down to the components, we've already taken out the bottom sliding drawer. That's where you actually broil the your food. To make it a little bit easier, we're going to go ahead and take off this oven door. You just pull straight up and you can go ahead and set it to the side. Next we're going to take out the racks and also set those to the side. The customer has already actually taken off the igniter. So what we're going to do is actually we want to test the safety valve to make sure that the safety valve is okay. So we should usually get probably about anywhere from 1.2 to 2.4 ohms out of the safety valve. We have 1.9, so the safety valve is okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Next thing I want to check is power coming down to the igniter to make sure it is getting power. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the oven here, and I am getting power. So this oven does need a new bake igniter. So the old igniter's off. We need to get this burner tube off so we can install the new igniter. There is a 1/4 inch screw that holds the front of the burner tube on. You want to go ahead and remove that. Now the back side is held on by a little pin. It just slides into a groove back here. You're not going to be able to see it on the camera, but you are going to have to work at it to get the pin out of the groove. So once we get the burner tube off of the where it's supposed to be mounted, we have the new igniter here. The old igniter's right here. We're going to use the old wire terminals from the igniter. We're going to go ahead and splice the wires. Go ahead and strip all the insulation off the wire before you install it.
Goes there.
So once you have the new igniter ready to be installed, it takes 2 machine thread 1/4 inch screws. Go ahead and reinstall the screws. Once the screws are set, you're ready to reinstall the burner tube itself. So go ahead and place the burner tube where it's supposed to go. Try to line up that hole in the slot in the back. We have the burner tube installed. All the electrical connectors are hooked up. We're going to go ahead and reinstall this piece of metal here. It's just a heat shield to protect the wires and the safety valve. It takes 1/4 inch screw. Once you've done that, you can also reinstall the 1/4 inch screw that holds the burner tube in the front. That one also is a 1/4 inch. Once you've done that, you can actually go ahead and test the unit now. You gotta wait, give it a little bit of time so the igniter can actually pull the current to open the safety valve. And there is the flame. So we're done testing it. We know that it is going to work. We're going to go ahead and shut it off so we can finish reassembling the oven.
Okay, go ahead.
Burner pan takes 1 machine thread Phillips screw. up in the front. Reinstall that. Make sure it's snug. Once you've done so, you can this. You want to go ahead and tilt the front toward you. Slides in. Once you've done so, it sets back. The drawer will slide right in place. Thank you, sir. Now the door just slides right in place once you have positioned the hinges correctly. That's how you repair and replace the oven igniter.
Okay.
Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.